Hey guys, me Blaine, and I'm back again. Today I have a really cool accessory for your car. This will make it a whole lot better for you when you're trying to get in and out of your little compartment down there. I have a 2020 Model Y long range, so this works perfect for my car. Let's get started and get into it. Okay, to start off with, what I have here is made by Jowua. My friends at Jowua sent this to me. It is a USB hub with the LED light. That's what I like about it. It has a motion sensor light. That way when you open up the compartment to look down in there, a light comes on and it's really bright. Currently there's a little light inside the car that's in that compartment, but you really can't see anything with it. With this light here, it's really going to brighten up that whole area, so you can see when you're trying to dig around in there for a cable or to plug in your remote control to play some games or something like that. So this is going to be perfect for that. It says here that this is the light and fit, a USB hub with a smart LED sensor light design for the Tesla Model Y and the Model 3 with USB-C and USB-A ports at the front center console. They will help you find the USB ports and stuff in the dark, like I explained. So there is more possibilities here with this hub. It's perfectly compatible with the Tesla wireless charger. The Type-C connector support for up to an 18-watt dual USB-A version and 27-watt USB-C and USB-A version, which is what I have. It says 3.0 power delivery. Other USB ports supported, like a dash cam, the Sentry mode storage, music, boombox, game controller, and other USB device charging. I'm actually going to use this one. I'm going to put my SD card straight in it. So for my Sentry mode, the music for my boombox, different things like that will all go into this one easy device. You do get, this is really cool, you get a 4-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Right there on the box, guys. So record your miles. Once you hit 100,000 miles or 4 years, well, then you lose your warranty. So anyways, the thing is, they built these things pretty good, that they're expecting them to last you a long time, is what they're trying to tell you there. So let's get started. You open it up. Really, you just got a little instruction book here, instruction card. You do have a Q code here that you can scan for a guide to how to install it, but I'm going to show you how simple it is to install here in a second. You won't need that. You can just use my video. Let's pull this out. Nothing else in the box. That's it. Here it is. This is what I like about it right here. So right here you do have an on, off, and auto. This is for your lights. Okay, so we can put it on the on if you want to leave it on, off, so you don't have to worry about the light coming on, and then you put it over there in auto. And then what it'll do, it uses the sensor that's in this right here. So every time you open up that door, there's movement, the lights will come on right through here. Now, I do want to let you know that there is 2 versions of this. You can get the black carbon fiber one right here, or you can get the other wooden one, which I'll put a picture up over there for you. The wooden one will match some of their other products, and you can, if you got the wooden dash cover there and things like that, it might match what you already have. Personally, everything in my car is black and white, so I went with the black carbon fiber one here. I like it better. So you do have 2 USB-C ports right here. You have your micro SD card reader right there. Then you got 3 more USB ports right there. So that gives you 3, 4, 5 spots to plug in out of this one. In the back, you're going to have your USB-C and your USB-A right there. That is what's going to plug into the car down in the bottom, and it's simply just going to get pushed right in, and that's it. There's nothing else you got to do to install this. You're just simply going to pop it right in. So why don't I show you guys down here what it looks like. Okay, to start off with, you can see here I have my Jowua wireless charging port here for the station here, and currently, you know, you can put in your SD card here, and it shows little lights to show when it's charging and stuff like that. So when you lift this up, you can see in there Now I did put a flashlight in here just so we could see, because I told you it's not very bright at all. So as you can see right here, you got your USB-C and your USB-A right there, your two ports that we're going to use to plug into. This cable right here is simply going for our wireless charger, which we'll plug into one of the USB-C spots when we're done. I'm just going to unplug that, and I want to put that out of the way. Now, one thing I did not mention to you, I want you to see right here, you see the sticker right here, it says wireless charger. So that port right there is designed and designated for this cable right here for your wireless charger. So after we install this, we're going to make sure we put this one into that port right there. All right, so let's get started here. So as you can see on the back, like I said, you got your USB-C, USB-A, you got your USB-C right, USB-A right there. Right in. Make sure I get it lined up. As soon as it goes in, you know it's plugged in because you have the light come on. All right. Auto, I can turn it off. The light is off. Light is on. We're going to take the wireless charger port and plug it in right there. And that's it. That goes down. Pull out my light. And the light is on. Very clean installation. It looks like it was part of it to be OEM. It's in there good. There we go. The light turned off after a certain amount of time. I did some motion and it came right back on. Next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and take out my card, and I want to put it in there and see if it works. So we're going to eject it like that. Here's my card. Come up. Light came back on for me. Take the card. Clicked it in. And guess what? I just saw sentry mode in the camera just came on. Able to turn sentry mode on and off. That's telling me right there that the card is working. What's good about this one here is that you do have room for installing or plugging in your game controllers, different things like that. You have your SD card all in one, and it just looks good. But the most important thing that I really like about it is that LED light. So now, whenever I open this up and I need to get something in here, I'm going to be able to see a lot better. All right, guys, so this USB hub with the LED light by Jowua, I give it a thumbs up. Super easy to install. I spent more time talking about it and doing the video than I actually did installing it. It probably took under a minute to install it. Clean out your area from in there, unplug everything, plug this in, and then you can plug in whatever other devices, your charging cables for your phones, or whatever it is that you might have, your game controllers. You can plug them back in and you're done. But the best thing I like about this is that whenever I open up that compartment, I now can see inside there what I'm looking for. Because before, the light that was built into the car really is not that bright. So this light here is set by motion, so as soon as your hand moves or anything like that, it's going to come on. So it's what I like. And that's what I've been looking for and been wanting for a while now, ever since Jowua said that they're coming out with it. So I'm excited I got it. If you're interested in it, I do have the link down below in the description. If you use my code, you're going to receive $5 off of your order. If you buy anything else from them, you get $5 off for each item that you purchase from them using my code. So do that for me. As I'm an affiliate, I do get credit when you purchase things from them using my code, and it shows that my videos are helping you decide on what you want to get. So anyways, guys, I really appreciate all the support everybody gives me. If you can help me out here, hit that like button. It really helps out with the algorithms so YouTube will help promote my video a little bit more. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of different videos on accessories and different things like that for the Tesla and my Model Y, updates, software updates, anytime I have to take my vehicle in to get any kind of maintenance done on it, any kind of trips with the family, any kind of updates like that, reviews. Those are the type of videos I really enjoy doing. So help me out, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that way you can get notified every time I put a new video out there. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Most important, be safe, have fun, keep driving, and until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye.